A clash broke out between two groups during the Mahaviri Yatra on the occasion of Nag Panchami in Bihar's Motihari on Monday. Visuals showed instances of stone pelting during the clash. Police said that the situation was peaceful now and a close watch was being kept on the developments. SDPO Nand Prasad appealed to people to participate in the procession peacefully. SDPO, while talking to the media about the clash, said, "Force is present everywhere and magistrate is also present. The situation is peaceful now. We are keeping a close eye. I request everybody to participate in the Mahaviri Yatra peacefully." ISRO's Chandrayaan-3 mission is on track for an attempted landing on Wednesday, the space agency has said. A previous Indian mission failed in 2019 to safely land near the area targeted by Chandrayaan-3. Both the US and China have planned missions to the South Pole. Attempted landings on the moon have failed before. Russia's Luna 25 craft had been scheduled to land on the South Pole this week, but spun out of control on approach and crashed on Sunday. The South Pole, far from the equatorial region targeted by previous missions, including the Crew Apollo landings, is full of craters and deep trenches. Chandrayaan-3 is expected to land on the moon on August 23rd. The event will be live-streamed on ISRO's official website at isro.government.in. The live streaming of the event will also be available on ISRO's YouTube channel and Facebook page. As India's ambitious moon mission Chandrayaan-3 prepares for a lunar touchdown August 23rd at 18:15 hours IST, special events across the country have been planned as people desire to witness and be a part of the historic moment. In a similar gesture, the Uttar Pradesh government has announced that state-run schools will be open for 1 hour on August 23rd and a live telecast of India's moon mission will be shown to the students, according to government officials. Issuing a notice on behalf of the Director General School Education and State Project Director's Office, it was announced that government schools will remain open on August 23rd between 5:15 to 6:15 pm for a live telecast of the Chandrayaan-3 landing. Bharatiya Janata Party will be deploying its top guns, including Union Minister Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh, in pole-bound Rajasthan to step up their electoral preparedness. The party is scheduled to kickstart its 4 Parivartan Yatras in the state from next month, spanning over a period of 23 days, sources said. The Yatras are scheduled to begin on September 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th respectively and will culminate in a mega public address by PM Modi in Jaipur on September 25th. The first Parivartan Yatra to be flagged off by Home Minister Amit Shah will start from Trinetra Ganesh Temple in Savai Madhopur, while the second Parivartan Yatra flagged off by party's national president JP Nadda will start from Vaneshwar Dham.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.